Okay, today I'm going to show you how to create text or shapes embossed along a curve. So we are going to start by File, New Standard Part, hit Create, and then we're going to start a 2D sketch. We're going to make it here on the, the XZ plane. We're going to rotate this, zoom out once or twice, and then we're going to make a 3-point arc. I'm going to start at the origin. I'm going to move this over so that it's 8 inches, and I want it nice at 180 degrees, and I hit click. And then I want this distance to be 5. Come on. I think I didn't do that right. Let's try this one more time. 3-point arc. From there, we want this to be 8 inches. Tab, okay. And then, yep, we want 180 degrees. And then we type in 5. There we go. That's what I was going for, a nice arc. Then we're going to go ahead and we are going to make an offset from that line that is 0.25 inches. So now we have something that kind of looks like a rainbow. In order to extrude it, we have to close it. So we're going to add a line from this endpoint to that endpoint, and from this endpoint to that endpoint. And now we have something that we can extrude. So I'm going to go click on extrude. We're going to extrude this up 2 inches. And now if I hit the home button, you can see I have that kind of curve. All right, I'm going to look at this from the front. And if I actually angle it downward a little bit and open up my origin, you can see that my XY plane is actually in front of that. So I'm going to start a 2D sketch on my XY plane. And then I am going to just start by making some text. I'm going to draw a box. And then I'm going to type, first of all, let's change this to Arial Black. So I'm going to just type AR, Arial Black. It's nice and bold. And let's make the lettering 0.3. And then when we come in here and we type, we'll type South Milwaukee High School. I don't know why I didn't actually type in Arial. So if you don't get the Arial, highlight the whole thing. Try this again. Arial Black. There we go. And we're going to hit OK. And you'll see that South Milwaukee High School is now popping up there. If yours is, by the way, if you do this and yours is sideways, like if yours is sticking up in the air, you can always rotate text by clicking on the text itself, select the center point, and then you can rotate this any way that you need to. Mine happened to work out that it was the right way this time. I am going to just move this a little bit so it looks a little more centered. I could dimension this so it's actually centered, but I don't care that much. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to come up here, we're going to finish our sketch, and we are going to use the Emboss tool. So I'm going to click on Emboss, and the first thing I need to click on is the profile. Then I want to wrap to a face, and the face I want to wrap to is there. And I want it to pop out. Now watch what happens when I hit OK. In this case, it actually went the other direction, so it projected instead of wrapping it along here. So you can fix that really easy by just coming in here and changing that so that it is wrapping in the other direction. And now South Milwaukee High School is sitting right there. Beautiful. Okay, so then to make that little box, that underline box, we're going to come back. We're going to start another 2D sketch right here on our XY plane, and then I'm literally just going to eyeball a rectangle here. So right about there, beautiful. I'm not even going to dimension it. Looks fabulous. And then we can actually emboss this. What if we want this to go in instead of out? Same thing, the profile, we already have it selected here. We're going to wrap it to a face. We're going to wrap it to this face. We're actually going to punch it in. And when we do that, you'll see that now that is embedded. Now this is what you will submit, this picture right here showing you how to emboss features onto a curved surface. Screenshot that and submit that to today's assignment. Thanks so much.